Today we're looking at a wheel hub cleaning tool from Mac. Here's the part number. And in the box, you have the tool and the instructions. Here's the instructions. That's the part number again. And then the pads, you're gonna have to buy in separate. That's the part number right there, right there. And then it's mainly for use on a half-inch impact. Here's the tool. And I have a pad over here. It's a little bit worn out, but here's what it looks like. And then to put it on, you just screw it on. And basically what it does, it cleans the hub. And I got a null hub right here. And then basically you just put it on your impact. And then just spin it on there. And it makes it a little bit better for cleanup and faster. As you can see, that's the one I cleaned up, and you can see that one, it's a little bit rusty. And then you can keep going until you get it nice and clean. And that's how it looks. Here's the tool again. And I do got an adapter to use my 3/8 impact. Thanks for watching.